Hello, parents and kids. Today we are going to take a look at Unit 7. This is page 2, doubling and halving. So today in class we learned about multiplication and equivalence and looking at equations and how to make them balanced. So this is practicing almost exactly what we did in class today. Alright, 10 dog walkers each walk 4 dogs. If half of the dog walkers do not show up for work, how many dogs do the rest of the dog walkers have to walk? Fill in this equation to match the story. Well, I know the 10 came from here, 10 dog walkers, and the 4 are the 4 dogs that each dog walker is walking. So, to make this equation true, 10 times 4 is 40. So whatever multiplication problem goes here has to also equal 40. But there's more to the problem. It says half of the dog walkers. So I need to think to myself, what is half of 10? That sounds like 10 divided by 2. So we talked about that if we divide one side of our equation by 2, then we have to multiply the other side by 2. That way we're halving one side and doubling the other. I think you can probably figure out the numbers that go in the blanks. Down below on number 2, you're going to create a representation to show that your equation is true. Remember, a representation can be a picture, model, or diagram. And we're talking about dog walkers and dogs. So when you create your picture, think about how are you going to show a dog walker and the number of dogs that maybe the dog walker is walking. There's his tail. Okay? But it needs to match your equation that you did for number 1. So if I have 10 dog walkers walking 4 dogs, then think about what would that look like. We still have a total of 40 dogs. So what would that look like for the second half of your equation? Okay, so just think about what we did in class today. Number 3, what number makes this equation true? So here, think about how do you go from 6 to 3? Are you doubling? Are you halving? And if you halve or if you double, remember you do the opposite to fill in this blank. Alright, and that is all for today. Thank you.